Ministry of Culture adopt a heritage project आणि अशें आयलां की आमचे ओल्ड गोवा बॉम जेजूस Basilica and the Sir Cathedral is also adopted by Drishti Life Saving Services. First of all, government of Goa is completely in the dark about this, and it is a religious place of huge importance. The relics of Saint Francis Xavier are preserved there, so it is not only a place of cultural importance, but it is of a religious importance also. So, state government is of the opinion that the Minister of Tourism, myself as Minister of Archives, the local MLA, the parish priest of the cathedral, the rector of the Bom Jesus Basilica, the representative of the diocese, the chief secretary, will meet immediately, maybe on the coming Monday. We'll fix the date in consultation and the ASI, so that we should be very clear about what this scheme is all about. Delhi, the experience with Delhi has been that they come with a small thing and then they take over your whole asset. Old Goa is an asset of the state. So we and the church has to be taken into confidence before something is being done about it. Here in this case, I as the government and as the Minister for Archives itself not aware what the scheme is all about. However, the Old Goa monument does not come under archives, but it comes under Archaeological Survey of India. In any case, we as a government would like to be very clear about what this scheme is all about, what is the role of the agency, what was the procedure adopted to award that company adopt the heritage, and whether it was transparent, whether the religious institution, the church was taken into confidence. We want to know all this. So we will convene a meeting at the earliest. I have also spoken to the Chief Secretary about it. The role of this agency is to be well defined, because they may come under the guise of giving amenities and take over the whole fort itself. So that is not going to be allowed, especially when I am the minister. I want the roles of the ASI, Ministry of Culture, the agency, all to be well defined. And the state government has to be taken into confidence, because these are assets of the state. We are very clear about this. And the church also will have to be taken into confidence when it comes to Old Goa, and including the...
shock की आमकां स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाक जे आमचो गोंयचो गव्हर्मेंटाक कॉन्फिडन्स घेय नासतना जाल्लें ना आनी गव्हर्मेंट गोंयांत आसा काय ना हो पयली चिंतेची गजाल जावना की आमकां सांगिनासतना समज हेरिटेज करपाक गेले आनी एडॉप्ट समज आनी आमच्यान कितें उरलां म्हणून कोणें कितें घातलां हेजेर आजून आमी आमचे स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान कसलेंच परमिशन दिवंक ना या त्या कसली मान्यता ना आनी जें कितें जातलें तें आमकां गव्हर्मेंटाक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन जावपाक जाय आमचो विरोध आसता तेजे बद्दल
जी सद्या म्हज्यान चड खबर आहा देवस्थान म्हणल्यार कितें आमलें आनी बाजिलिका म्हणटा तेका हात लावपाक कोणाच्यान जायना आनी म्हाका दिसपान हांव तरी सारको फूल हें करपाचें दिवपाना तुका मिनिस्टरान सांगला विजयान सांगला जेन्ना तेगे सपोर्ट आमकां जायोच पूण हे एकोडे कोणें भितर जावपाक जायना.
Video journalist Alfred Fernandez from Port Royal for HCN.